In this release of Altium Designer, we've added several new features to boost the usability of the harness wiring diagram and layout drawing. Now, in the layout drawing, when assigning a splice to a connection point, any previous associations that splice had with another connection point will be removed automatically, helping to ensure a clean and organized design. Splices in the wiring diagram have also been given an update. Now, when wiring up your wiring diagram, Altium Designer intuitively adds a splice object at the junction of two wires, allowing you to zip through connections without having to pause for auxiliary tasks. Connectors can have many pins, and adding crimps one at a time can be a big hassle. This release of Altium Designer allows users to quickly add crimps to all the pins of a connector all at once. Also saving time are the new icons in the Place menu, so you can visually find the commands you're looking for. We've also brought into the Harness project the Find Similar Objects command, and the resetting of component designators upon paste. Altium Designer makes harness design simple.